Hello viewers, you are welcome to this program. This is UXI Mobility, a video on vehicle management, common causes of road accident, and general safety tips. On this program or on this video, we shall discuss part 2 of vehicle wipers. In my previous video, you were told or you heard about the function of wiper, which is to maintain visibility. We are all aware visibility is very important while behind the wheels, while driving. On this video, I'm going to tell you the lifespan of wipers, as well as how you can maintain your own wipers to serve you longer than necessary. The lifespan of vehicle wiper can vary depending on several factors, including the quality of the wiper, weather conditions, and how often they are used. On average, here are some considerations for the lifespan of wipers. 1. Quality. High quality wiper blades typically have a longer lifespan. Premium wipers with durable materials like silicone or rubber compounds tend to last longer than cheaper alternatives. Always go for the best to have its usage on yourself. 2. Usage. The more frequently you use your wiper, the shorter their lifespan. If you often drive in heavy rain or dusty conditions, your wipers may wear out more quickly. 3. Maintenance. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your wiper. Cleaning them regularly, especially in dusty or snowy conditions, can help prevent premature wear and tear. 4. Signs of wears. Inspect your wiper blade regularly. If you notice streaking, skipping, or reduced effectiveness in clearing your windshield, it is time to replace them. Or if you see it physically that it is damaged. 5. Typically, wiper blade may last from 6 to 12 months on average. However, this can vary widely depending on the factors mentioned above. It is essential to pay attention to the conditions of your wiper blades and replace them when needed to ensure clear visibility and safe driving. Your wipers has to be maintained regularly to give you the desired purpose. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment. Thank you, and remain safe.